So, hello everyone. Recently, Desilo has launched its attendance feature where now you can time track for all your employees who are working with you and manage whether they have reached the site or not, where are they going, and at what time they are there. So, everything that now is can be manageable. So, for that, we'll first set the attendance from the settings from company side, and then I'll show you how it will show in the employee's phone. So we'll first go to settings, and here you can see the attendance setting. Once you click on the attendance setting, in general you'll get these four options: check in and check out radius range. So if your site is somewhere and you want the employees can check in or check out within 100 meters of that location, then you have to set 100 meter and whatever you want. Then allow visit outside the check-in window. So sometimes happen that some locations are there that has not been added because that are not the site location. It may be the shop location or somewhere the person has to visit. Whether you want to allow it or not, it's upon you. If you allow it, yes, then when employee suppose visit some place which is not registered as a site, they can just go to day report, they can click add visit, and they can click on the location. They can put the location, they can put the purpose, what was the time they were there at that location, and done. Second is allow one check-in per day. So if suppose the employee has only one site in as his responsibility, then you can just allow one check-in. But sometimes it happens that one supervisor has to handle two three sites, and sometimes he visit two sites in one day. So he can just check in from one site, then when he leaves that site he can check out, and then he when he goes to another site he can again check in on that site, so that it will all be recorded and when he went on which sites. Again, this is something match checkout with check-in location. So if there is only one site and you want that from where the person has checked in, suppose it's an office, then he should only check out from there. Now we come on to all location. Here you can add locations of all your sites. So one place is from here, you can add location for all your sites. You can put here the location. I'm just putting demo. So suppose sector 62 Noida, if I put, then it will show me here the location. Search by URL or search by address. So if you have a URL, suppose your client or your employee went onto the site and he or she shared you the live location, or your client shared the live location, you can just share that link. So how this happens, so you will you if you open Google Maps, I can search my location here. Sector, suppose it's sector 6, Gandhinagar. Now, if I want this location to be shared, exact this location, then what I'll do, I'll go here, share, and I will copy this. As I copy this link, I can come here and just paste the link. Here you can see, yeah, now it's set. You can select and continue. You can put all the details, the name, the flat house, town, city, pin code, everywhere, everything about the site and the client. Now there is one more way that you can do it. So when we go to projects and we create the project, then here also you get this option. So if I click on this project, you can see here the basic details. In basic details you can check here the location details. So if you add the location here, suppose I add the same location here, then it will select and continue. Again you put all the information here. This information will be projected in your attendance settings here in all locations. So whatever location your projects are in, it will be visible here. Then the user details. As you know, here you can see the left hand side users. All the users in who are working in your company are registered here. So in settings you can actually see the user details of all the users who are working, their working days, what are their working days. You can even what are the locations that has been assigned. So all the location by default will be assigned. But if you want to tick off that, okay, no, no, this location is something that the person is not visiting, so you just save. Now he can only check in and check out for this location because this has been assigned to him. What are the leaves quota? You can check it here. If you want to increase their leaves quota or decrease, you can manage from here. What are the working days? You can see here the working days, if the person is working from Monday to Saturday or maybe from Monday to Friday. This all can be settled here. Now it comes to holiday. So if you want to add holiday, you can add from here that it's a Hanuman Jayanti, it will be holiday, or people can see it in their CRM app. But for 2024, even you can import from global if there is any holiday. See, I am importing it from global. It is already set like Gandhi Jayanti, Hanuman Jayanti, or something that has been already settled there. Now here you have all done the attendance settings for your company. What you can do now, your employee can use the attendance feature in their app. When they visit their app, you can see in this attendance they can see all about the weekly average, the hours they have worked, and all the location and everything, a little detail in front. So if you check if you check in from here and they select the location, suppose I selected this location. Now it took this location because I am in this location. But if I select any other location, it won't take because I am not in that location. So it is tracking the real time. So yeah, I'll select this location. I'll click on done, and you see already checkout option button is visible now. Now I have only checkout, and this also here you can see the time that I checked in, the place from where I checked in. Now as I see, told you that you can actually go for the visits and everything. So if you want to add visits, suppose you went somewhere in between which is not in the location, and maybe for some kind of tiles material, maybe to look for a tiles material or something. So you can put that at what time were you there. You can just click onto here. You can say that you were there at, suppose, 4 o'clock. Sorry. Yeah, you can check from here that you were there at 4 o'clock, and then you left at 5. So whenever you left, basically that time you are gonna add your visit. Material selection, if I am writing for the material selection, if there is some kind of remark, you can give it here, your remark. And if there is some attachment that is there, suppose if there is a bill or something to actually tell, okay, you went there and you bought this, then you can upload the attachment also, and it's done. Now see here we have already mentioned, so project site will be visible by the red border, and the unlisted, because these are listed, the unlisted one will be shown as a blue. You want to edit, you can edit these locations also. Now go back. So suppose you want to apply for the leaves. If your employer want to apply for a leave, you can go here, you can click on the leave, and I can apply for my leaves. um so suppose I took 29. Yeah, right now I'm canceling everything. So here you can see apply. Now, what is the leave request? It is work from home. Suppose if I'm taking work from home, what is the date? Maybe tomorrow. So, yeah, for 1 day or for 2 days. Suppose I'm taking it for 2 day. What is the reason? If there is reason, you can put. If not, maybe you had a talk with your employer that okay, you can take 2 days in a week work from home. Suppose. So you're applying that okay, these 2 days I'm already taking for the work from home, and this is done. So when you submit here, you can see all the dates again, and you submit. Now, as an employee, I can only see the self button, not the employee button. Right now, because I am recording with my admin app, so I can see the employees also. So here you can check when your employee apply for the leave. What you can do, you can check here employee, and you can see that you have got a request for work from home. You can open this and you can see that, okay, Priyanshi is applied for work from home for 2 days, 24 to 25th, and you want to view the summary. Suppose if the reason, if I might have listed the reason, then it would have shown. And if you want to approve, you can approve from here as an employee. If you want to deny, you can deny from here. So both option is there. Suppose if I deny. Now in cells, you can see that if I have already taken leaves. So total leaves which I have is 24, and the leaves that has been taken is 2. So everything will be counted here. And also the one feature that attendance has, you can export your data as well. It will be exported as an Excel sheet. Second thing is that when you look in the attendance, you can also check your report. So here, see, here you can check the all the report um date wise, where you have checked in, check out, or maybe if you haven't checked out, then also it will show you. And then you have to actually tell the reason that why haven't you checked out, what was the reason behind it if you check out. And most important thing, so when, suppose this is my dashboard, if I don't check out today, next day it won't show me the check-in button. This button is won't be applicable, so I have to check out. And if right now, because I am checking out on time only, or within the time, but if I check out next day for today, then I have to give the reason that why I didn't checked out yesterday. In this way, you can manage the attendance, and your employee can check in and check out. So this is the whole uh, feature of attendance setting, where you can uh, आप अपना अटेंडेंस के प्रॉब्लम्स को सही कर सकते हो बेसिकली. Here you can see all the leaves of your employees that they have taken, or maybe if there is any pending leave, it will show here. Then the attendance report that you can see here, what is the check in, check out, visits कितने हुए, leaves कितना हुआ, work from home कितना कर लिया in this month, पेंडिंग स्टेटस कोई है, अगर अप्रूव स्टेटस है तो क्या है, कुछ रिजेक्ट किया है तो क्या है. यू कैन चेक एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम हियर.